Okay, here's a new guide on how to upload the latingang crashers. All you're going to need is the Discord server and Unity in the computer, and that's pretty much all you need. So yeah, so first load up your Discord. Make sure you're in discord.gg/collab, aka latingang. Then you want to just go to your Unity project or Unity hub, do new project, make sure it's on Unity editor version 22.3.22 F1. Any other version just will not fucking load Bloodborne properly. So if you want to install this version, go down to the tuts part of my Discord server and you'll see this link right here. You want to copy that, and then you want to go to your browser, so this browser right here, and you want to just paste it in, and when you press enter it will ask to bring up your Unity hub, and then I'm just gonna do cancel because I already have it installed, but it pretty much just installs 22.3.22. Next you want to go down. I'm just not going to connect to Unity Cloud and give it a name. I'm just going to call it latingang crasher. This is a instant crasher. So yeah, we just do create project, and then we just wait for that to load. So yeah, I'll just come back when it's loaded. Alright, so once it's loaded up your Unity project, you want to go to your folder, well, the Discord server again, go to latingang, then go back to TUT. If I can find it right here, you want to download POY, and then you want to go to chitchat, then you want to go to pinned, and then you want to install Bloodborne right there. So you should have a folder with Bloodborne and this POY shader. Now I'm gonna make this very clear. You need this shader or else it will just show up pink. Okay, the avatar will look like this if you do not install this, but if you do, it will look normal. Alright, so make sure you have POI June imported. So before we import POI, the first thing we want to do is Bloodborne. You always import Bloodborne before everything else. Normally you do Bloodborne, then POI. If you're making an avatar, then toggle assistant. But for now, I'm just gonna put in Bloodborne and POI. When you're importing it, it will show a menu like this with import at the bottom. Make sure to just click on that, and then it will just start installing. Okay, so once your Bloodborne has imported, you'll see at the bottom Bloodborne blah 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 authorized, and you'll see at the top you have the control panel. If you don't got the control panel, you either need to make a new Unity project or you're not using the right version. Next we want to go to POI, double click, and then we're just gonna wait for the option to import it to come up. It will only be a second. There we go, and import, and then it's just gonna import the packages, so let's wait until that's done. Alright, so now we got POI installed. We know we got POI because it says it right there. Next we want to just drag, we want to find the avatar we want, so I'm going to go down to Clappies right here, and I'm gonna pick the crasher I want. So that's gonna be Latin Kermit, right? So say you're doing that in Kermit, you want to go into your Unity project once you have it, and it should just be a Unity package. You can just double click on that, and then it will show all the stuff, and then import, and then it'll take a second to load. All of my avatars are a bit different, so if you do not see this little square with the name of the avatar in the main assets folder, you might need to go into the folder that the avatar is called and click on it again and see if you can find it. But the avatar model will be somewhere in the Unity project. Next, you want to just drag it from down here into here, and then it will show this whole lovely getup. Make sure it's at 0, 0, 0, and then you right click on it, very fab, and then unpack completely. So then we just got blank Kermit. Next, we want to just go to Bloodborne, and then control panel, and then you want to type in your username and password. So I'm just gonna enter mine, Daddy Smurf. Password, I can't say that. It's gonna ask you for a code, but I'm sure you already know how to get the code to your account. So let me quickly pull up mine. There we go. So we just copy and paste in the code here, and then we go to builder. And as you can see, there won't be any errors, but if there is, you might just need to press auto fix. And I want to make this very clear: if it has this symbol, you don't need to auto fix it. And if you do press auto fix and it takes you to a website, then you don't need to auto fix that. Only the ones with the red symbol. And if it doesn't show build and test right here, then your avatar is not uploaded right. But anyways, you just give your avatar a name. So I'm gonna call this one like tutorial Kermit, and the description will be, I don't know, gg/clapped, and then we want to pick a thumbnail. I'm just gonna go with whatever I can find. So Peter Griffin doing a dunk. And then you want to just do this one down here for online publishing, and then build and publish. And then it's going to say this, you want to press yes. It'll say this, you're going to do OK. And then it's going to start loading up here. Any errors you may come across, you can just press yes on them. But like if it's an error that pops up while you're importing it, like here, just press yes. You don't need to worry about that, or you can press no. I'm pretty sure it doesn't make it that much of a difference. But once it's built and published for Windows, you're gonna want to change the selected platform to Android, and then build and publish again. So I'll show you what that looks like when this is done importing. So once it's done uploading, it will say upload success, or succeeded. Doesn't show that, then it's not going to be uploaded and you did something wrong. You want to press dismiss, select the platform. What the fuck, iOS, since when? Anyways, Android, confirm, and now we're just gonna wait a minute. Is that shit actually on iOS though? Let me check. Hold up, we're gonna check if this shit's on iOS real quick while it's importing. While it's changing, VR chat. No, it's not on iOS. I'm just tripping. But so it's gonna show all of this when you're changing it, and then whoop, there we go. Builder. Now you're already gonna see two things: illegal scripts 58, and this thing. This always shows up in the illegal scripts. You want to make sure you have that option. If you don't, then your game got tickled. But we fucking need this option so you can press autofix, alright? If it doesn't show that, then your avatar might not upload properly. But as we can see here, it might show up as very poor for request, but for PC it was fucking excellent as shit. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. We just do build and publish, and then build and publish. And then we wait for it to upload, and then I'll show it in game. Alright, so once it's uploaded, we're gonna go into our VR chat here. Honestly, I thought my account was banned, but I guess I got tickled. So we're gonna go to latingang right here, Latin Kermit. When I uploaded, you'll see right here, tutorial Kermit. And it showed up nice and properly. It's on medium. It's got low textures, low polygons. It's got the same description. Go ahead and put it on, make sure it works. The my works, fly works. Yeah, right, very goody. But yeah, that's it for Latin Kermit. That's how to upload our crashers. If you have any problems, go to the support channel and just send a screenshot of your problem. Or you can DM me at Felix0001 and I'll try to respond as fast as I fucking can. Alright, have a good day.